Hello, this is Will Timpson with CAD Craftsman. I thought I would do a follow-on video to our component interface connection and upload it to the library. This connection now is adaptable and has component interface behind it. So we'll open the connection up and clean up these extra sketches. I'll position it somewhere where I want to see the picture be, and I'll go back and just close the main assembly. So now, under Members or Parts, I'm going to go to the Library Manager. And as the Library Manager pulls up, I have the Add tab. You'll see that this is pulled up, recognizing that this is a connection. I'm going to put it in my American Standard. The filter will be End. We're not changing the primary connection plane. And just a description would be beam, column, in plate. And just width, interface. Now I close the other assemblies as it goes through the process of adding this to the library. It's going to close all the other open files anyway. And I'll now move this around a little bit and then click on Snapshot again, and I get a new picture. So position it in a way where you can see it best. Okay, we'll take that one. And now click Add to Library. Scan over your filters one more time to make sure you put it in the right place. And Steel Designer Pro will go through and add it to the library. Now we'll go back and open our assembly again. This sewn assembly. And just as a test, for welded members, we'll add another blank beam. The same one we've been using before. We'll check its section, and we'll make it into something a little different to see how the connection works when it goes in. So you see it came out of the library as a 12 by 30. Steel Designer Pro is changing the section to be as we requested it to be. And now we have another place to test. Just for speed, we'll suppress a few things. And now under Connections, in Connections, under the Model Chooser, scroll down, and there's your connection. Notice the description matches what we put in before. Select it, hit Use. We're going to run the component interface after insertion. Select the insertion point, the beam, the column, as welded and bolted 1. Tick OK. Now Steel Designer Pro goes through the process creating the new files, inserting everything. So now we have our interface. I had left that plate purposely wide in the library to keep holes from faulting. And now, so plate width, and we'll leave everything else the same. And hit update. And exit. And you'll notice that we have a new set of holes in our column, appropriately sized for this beam. So that's how we add our new connection to the library.